Hello, I am Adit Gupta from Apricot Design India. We are ethical third generation manufacturers from New Delhi. We have various social compliances in place like SEDEX, BSCI, ISO 9001 2015. I have done my masters from University of Massachusetts USA and worked in USA for 4 years, and so I and our company understand and value integrity, good English communication skills, timely delivery and quality. We are committed to you and your productions with us. We supply to leading brands in USA, Europe and Australia. We are an export only company and make excellent quality and good timelines on our deliveries for fast reorders. We are obsessed with providing excellent quality to our customers. So we have checklists for all processes of manufacturing. Every stage of manufacturing is properly checked before the goods move to the next stage of manufacturing. Every process is properly documented and well defined, leaving nothing to chance. We have more than 300 training videos for each and every employee in our organization. We invest a lot of time, money, and effort to ensure that the team is well trained. We are famous for our no minimums policy as we want our customers to start with small quantities so that they can test the market to identify their winners. We see our success in your success. In our factory, we have in house sourcing of all raw materials as needed. Graphic and CAD designers and masters, cutting, printing, computer embroidery, stitching, final assembly, final checking. Records and reports are maintained and the works of each department are checked for quality before the goods move to the next stage. We manufacture shoes for men, women, and kids. We can make heeled shoes, boots, open and closed shoes, sandals and slippers, belly, wedge sandals, flip flops, gladiator sandals, casual mid heel sandals, heeled shoes, lace shoes, kitten heels, Mary Jane shoes, slingback shoes, pumps, stilettos, moccasins, Oxfords, whatever your needs are, please let us know. We purchase genuine and synthetic leathers or fabrics as per your requirements. We have strong quality control for each department. We get the lasts and the CAD made as per your models. We make the samples based on your requirements. We try the footwear on the live models and also send them to you so you can be sure of the styling and the fits. And any changes you need can be done on the CADs and on the lasts again. We make the samples based on US Europe standard sizes. We can do printing, embroidery, whatever your needs may be for the shoes. The lasts are modified based on your comments so that the shoes fit perfectly. We hire excellent professional merchandisers for their communication skills and technical skills and train them. Whatever your needs are in footwear, we are there for you. We look forward to hearing from you. Please allow us to work with you. We can make small quantities and big quantities with equal ease.